Good day all of you. Today's gate question is, the synchronous sequential circuit shown below works at a clock frequency of 1 GHz. The throughput in megabits per second and the latency in nanoseconds respectively are. So this is the circuit, sequential circuit. Yes, here is the input and here is the output. Input has to travel through 3 flip-flops to reach the output. And the clock frequency given is 1 GHz. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find the throughput and latency. First, I'll define what is latency. Latency is the time needed for an input to produce output, or we can say simply number of clock pulses required, number of clock pulses used to get the output. Okay, if you see the given circuit, it has 3 flip-flops, fine. For each flip-flop, clock is given. This clock is, as it is a sequential, synchronous sequential circuit, yes, you have to apply clock for every flip-flop and this input has to cross 3 flip-flops to reach the output. Means to get the output after giving input, you have to apply 3 clock pulses. Okay, so what is the latency? Latency is simply, it is n into t clock. What is n here? Number of flip-flops or 3. What is t clock? T clock is duration of the clock pulse. T clock is nothing but f clock. What is f clock here? Is 1 GHz. So what is t clock? 1 by 1 GHz. So it is nothing but 1 nanosecond. Therefore, latency is 3 into 1 nanosecond is 3 nanoseconds. Okay. Number of clock pulses duration required to get the output after giving the input is nothing but latency, that is our 3 nanosecond. Or in other way, it takes, this sequential circuit takes 3 nanoseconds of time to produce output after giving input. Okay, so this is latency. Then what is throughput? It is nothing but rate at which data can be processed, or simply we can say how much data is produced per unit time. That is nothing but throughput. So here in our circuit, process 1 bit of data, means in 1 flip-flop we can process 1 bit of data. To process 1 bit of data, we need 1 clock pulse, means 1 nanosecond time is required to process 1 bit of data. Now throughput is, in 1 second, how much data can be processed? How much data can be processed is nothing but your throughput. So in 1 nanosecond of time, 1 bit data is processed. So in 1 second, how much data can be processed? 1 bit by nano. This nano comes like this. So it is 1 bit by 10 power minus 9 is nothing but 10 power 9 bits. Okay. Therefore, throughput is 10 power 9 bits per second or 1000 megabits per second. This is your throughput. Okay. So simply throughput is number of bits that can be processed in unit time. Here the unit time is second. So here in the given circuit, 1 bit of data can be processed during 1 clock pulse, that is in 1 nanosecond. So in 1 second how much data can be processed is nothing but the throughput. So in 1 second 10 power 9 bits of data can be processed. So throughput is 10 power 9 bits per second or 1000 megabits per second.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.